All right, first thing, get inside the Jeep. Move your sun visors out of the way. Flip up both of these right here. And pop open the sunroof. The next step is to take off the windows. Open your doors up. Undo the Velcro across the top and the back. And unzip it. And you're going to slide it out on this side in the door and out the bottom just like that. Obviously do it on the other side. For the next step, you have a latch here and on the other side. Pop that loose and pull it up just like that. Now the top's going to be free. Open up your tailgate, undo these two flaps here, and this one here. Pull out this bar, and then unzip both sides. You can take this whole window out if you want. I like to leave it attached, so I only zip it to that corner. And again, you can do it how you want. I like to set this right here inside, and then I go ahead and close the tailgate. Next, you're going to want to undo both of these from the lip here. You can see it's just a plastic flap that fits in this lip, so undo that and fold that in. Same on this side. Just fold that in. And then from here you can kind of pull the top back. Then do it however you want, but just kind of fold all this down. And there you go. You're ready to go cruising with the top down.